We will be assembling the hamburger box. So I'm going to just start by folding my main box on all the score lines. And then let's take a look at some of the pieces. So we've got lettuce, tomato, hamburger, cheese, and buns. The lettuce and I'm just thinking here for a minute. I think I'm going to go ahead and ink these edges on my lettuce. There's 4 pieces, one for each side of your box. And then the hamburger, I think I'm going to also ink the edges with my Jumbo Java. I only have to do 3 edges because the top edge is going to be covered. The top edge of the lettuce will not be covered, so I need to go back and ink these edges here. Okay. I'm going to ink the cheese with some orange. And I'm going to use my dauber and ink the edge of the bun with brown. The square pieces, the rectangular pieces of the bun are the bottom. The contoured piece is the top. You can cut the base of your hamburger in any color you want. I chose white, not for any particular reason. Okay, so the lettuce glues directly onto the tomato. You're going to line it up to the top edge. I'm going to do that with all 4 pieces. And then on the hamburger, the cheese glues to the top edge. So we're also going to do that to all 4 pieces. Okay. And then all these pieces are just gonna layer here on the base. Start with the bottom bun, then the hamburger, then the tomato and lettuce, and then the top bun. You're going to do this for all 4 sides. So it's pretty quick. If you're like me and you can't get things lined up exactly, you can trim your edges if you want. Bottom bun, hamburger and cheese. Make sure you put your hamburger on right side up. You don't want your cheese being upside down. Just using my fingers as guides for the 2 edges. Your lettuce and tomato. What a fun treat box this would be for a summer birthday or a barbecue. It's quick and easy. You can even project you could do with your kids. You're gonna glue your box together. So I'm just going to go ahead now and put my box together. And then that is your hamburger box. Thank you for joining me.